At the end of this video, you're gonna know the 4 things you need to get right in the next YouTube short that you upload in order to make that short go viral fast. In fact, this creator right here just implemented these 4 tips, was able to gain over 20,000 subscribers, and this creator over 80,000 subscribers. And the same exact thing can happen to you so long as you don't skip any of these steps. Because if you just don't hit one of these things, it's going to be the reason you're probably gonna flop in your next short, as opposed to just listening to what I'm gonna tell you and going viral. First thing you need to make sure that you're doing correctly is you need to make sure that you're creating content in the right length for the posts that you're going to be uploading. Generally speaking right now, there are 3 best lengths for you to be uploading shorts. The first is going to be 8 to 15 seconds. The second, 31 to 34 seconds. And then finally, 55 to 60 seconds. But I will warn you, you can't just blindly follow those, because you need to actually go through and find out what the best length is for the specific post you're going to be uploading. And here's how you do that. What you want to do is you want to come over to YouTube, into your YouTube studio. You want to come to inspiration right here, and then whatever the topic is that you're going to be uploading on, you want to make sure that you actually go through and do a search for that. For example, we're going to look up TikTok best times to post. We're going to see this. I'm going to click on this. And now what we're going to see is we're going to get similar ideas, and we're also going to get what people are watching. Now, if we click on this right here and come under shorts, this is going to show us how long these videos should be. So if we look at this, we see 7 seconds, we see 15 seconds, we see 30 seconds, we see 20 seconds, we see 28 seconds. So guess what I would more likely than not do? I would make a video that is 20 to 30 seconds long. Why? Because that covers almost half of these. This one is a minute long, this one is 15 seconds, this one is 7 seconds. But if we look at this one, and this one, that looks like the best length for us to actually get a post that does really well. In addition to that, we need to make sure that your thumbnail is better than all of these other ones. Like how to go viral on TikTok, this thumbnail's all right, but what I think is actually better is something like this, where it actually shows the times on there, but it needs you to then click into the video to see those times and actually make sure that those are the correct times. Now, if we keep scrolling down here, you're going to see other pieces of content. And again, if we keep scrolling, we're looking at 24 seconds, 26 seconds, and then 10, 11, 7, 12. So after viewing all these things, what I would do is I would actually create 2 videos on this subject. We're going to make one of those videos in the 8 to 15 second length. The second video, again, we're going to make in that 20 to 30 second length. And now we're going to be able to test and see which length actually worked best. And you can literally go through and do this for any type of search, and the same exact thing works for long form content also. But I did want to warn you about something else, which is how big the actual audience is for whatever you're going to be posting about. AKA, you need to be uploading content that either 1, YouTube is going to be pushing like crazy right now, or 2, that is going to rank for search. Because if you don't have either of those 2 things on your side, well, the odds of you going viral are going to be very slim to none, because YouTube is going to have to actually go through and find an audience for that piece of content. Sometimes this can take a week. It can take 2 weeks. It could even take a month for this to happen, unless you find something there that's pushing out like crazy or that's going to rank for search. And I want to actually go through and give you a perfect example of this. So House of Highlights, they very often upload videos that are going to go viral in a really short period of time. In fact, if we look at this video, I bet that this video was uploaded like really recently. So we're going to go to the description. Yes, 1 hour ago. But if we look at their posts that have been uploaded recently, 225,000 views, 100,000 views, 80,000 views, 88,000 views, 84,000 views. You want to know why all these videos did so well? Because it's about the Celtics versus the Mavs, so which happened last night. So they're uploading things that a ton of people are actually interested in, and that is why these posts go viral like crazy. But if we type in something like hacks to get subscribers on YouTube, what we're going to see is we're going to see one of my posts pop up if we come under shorts. So this video has been up for a year. It's gotten 858,000 views. Other videos on this subject have gotten 400,000 views and 1 million views. But if we click into this, and we're going to go here, we're going to change shorts over to watch, and then we're going to come into analytics right here. This is actually going to show us how many views this video is getting. And as you can see, this video is getting around 4,800 views every 48 hours. And that has been happening for a really long period of time. That is why this post went viral. So your post needs to do one of 2 things. Either 1, rank for search, where it's going to go viral after some certain period of time, or 2, be on a very timely subject that is newsworthy newsworthy or something along the lines of that, like the Celtics versus the Mavs game. And obviously, I know that you probably don't upload about how to get subscribers on YouTube or about basketball, but you need to take into consideration what is your audience going to be really interested in to the point that they'll search for it, or what are they going to be really interested in because it's newsworthy, and those are the types of posts that are going to end up going viral for you on your account. And another way for you to be able to really easily figure this out is to come over to YouTube and go to one of your competitors' pages. For example, vidIQ is actually one of my competitors. I am going to click on them. I am then going to use the vidIQ Chrome extension right here. If you don't have this, you could get started today at the pinned comment below for just $1 for the next 30 days. It's an absolute no-brainer to have this because this is absolutely amazing. So what you do is you click in here, click view trending videos, and then this is going to show me all of their trending videos. This is going to show me their videos that are getting the most views. So what are they like? YouTube has reduced monetization requirements, how to turn on monetization for YouTube, how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers in 22 seconds, YouTube views hack for more views. And these are the videos that are getting the most views. And then another one, how much YouTube shorts pay me for 1,000 views. So if we look at this, there's 5 shorts right here. This one is about money. This one is about money. This one is about money. So what do you think I should post a short on if I want to go viral? I should post a short about how to make money on YouTube because clearly that's resonating with a lot of people. And what's even better than this, if you come up here, you're going to be able to do something even better. If we come under daily ideas, actually, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to come under here and I want to come under most viewed. What I can do is do searches for certain keywords and see the most viewed videos under there. For example, if I come under here, I'm going to type in basketball. I want it to be in the last 48 hours and I want to search by views per hour. And what is this going to show me? All the top viewed videos right now. Now, the other thing that I can do is that I can actually fit this to show me what is trending on YouTube. So if I go over here and I put up to 1,000 subscribers, this is only going to show me posts from creators with under 1,000 subscribers. And then I put in shorts right here. This is going to show me the most trending shorts from people that don't have a lot of views. And as you can see, these videos are getting 8,000 views, 6,000 views, 5,000 views, 7,800 views, 11,000 views. And you can even go through and you can filter by things like total views. This is going to be the last 48 hours. And this is going to show you the small YouTubers that are getting the most views with a certain content type. And if you start to use information like this, it's going to skyrocket the reach that you're getting. And that's not the only thing that you can do with vidIQ. If you pull up their website, you can actually go through and see what search terms people are searching for. Let's say that I wanted to make a video about affiliate marketing. I would type in affiliate marketing right here. It would tell me how many people are searching for that per month and the different terms that they're actually searching for. So I wouldn't do something like start affiliate marketing because only 3,000 people are searching for that. Instead, I would do affiliate marketing for beginners because 250,000 people are searching for that. And that literally would have been the same exact video, but I position it a little bit differently and boom, I end up getting way more views on YouTube as a result. And like I said before, you can get started with vidIQ for just $1 for the next 30 days if you go down to the pinned comment below and get started. And if this doesn't help you go viral on YouTube, then just cancel it. You literally have nothing to lose. $1 could be the difference between you going viral on YouTube or you not going viral. But there are still 2 other things that you need to make sure that you're doing. The third one is you need to make sure that if you have a video that ranks as a 1 out of 10 in your overview tab, that you wait at least 24 hours to 40 hours before you end up posting again. Because if you don't wait, what's going to end up happening is you had that post getting a lot of momentum, YouTube is pushing it out, you're gonna upload a new video to YouTube, and boom, it's going to kill the momentum of that video, and you literally just would have stopped one of your videos from going viral. Now, for the last and most important thing that you need to be doing is you need to be hitting the right metrics on YouTube. And there are really 2 metrics that Shorts actually cares about. The first one is going to be your swipe versus view ratio. You need at least 80% of people choosing to view your content. If you can't hit this, then either 1, the topic you chose was bad, or 2, the hook that you used in your content was bad. And you can test both of those things and do different things to increase that amount of people that are actually viewing your content. And then the second thing you need to be worried about is your average view duration. More importantly though, if your video is less than 30 seconds long, you need 100% average view duration. If your video is longer than 30 seconds long, aka 31 to 60 seconds, you need 80%. And if you're not able to hit those two things, you need to rework your scripts, you need to rework your formats, and you need to rework the type of content you're creating so that you can hit those and actually go viral. And if you want help going viral on YouTube, the same way that I helped this creator go viral and gain over 20,000 subscribers, and this creator go viral, gain over 80,000 subscribers, well, please watch this video right here where I explain the 3 ways I can help you grow quicker on YouTube, guaranteed, and we can work together personally to help you grow your channel quicker. I'll see you over there.